Here we have the finished product. It has been welded all the way around, all the pieces. I like a good filigree. Don't want a big messy mess. And then on top of that, since this is for security purposes, I have upped it safety by putting in one-way screws, which actually gives it an aesthetic value. So it looks like rivets on top of that. And I'm about to install it. And there's the finished product. Yeah? How you like them apples? Dig it, eh? Yeehaw!